In this video from Device Doctor, we will show you how to print beautiful designs on mugs using an Epson printer and sublimation transfer paper. We will explain each simple step to help you get great results. Stay with us.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Today, I'm using the Epson P50 printer for this project. It has special sublimation ink made just for printing on mugs. This type of ink is heat-friendly and works great for transferring images onto hard surfaces. I start by printing my design onto sublimation transfer paper. This paper is made to hold the ink properly and release it during the heat press process. Once the design is printed, it's ready to be placed on the mug. After printing the design, I cut the transfer paper to fit the size of the mug using scissors. It's important to trim the edges neatly so the design fits perfectly. Then, I wrap the paper around the mug and secure it tightly with heat-resistant tape or regular paper tape. Make sure it's fixed well, with no air bubbles, so the image transfers clearly. Now, a quick note about mugs and sublimation. Not every mug works for this process. Sublimation only works on special-coated mugs. These are called sublimation mugs. They have a polymer coating that helps absorb the ink when heated. Regular mugs won't work because the ink won't stick. Also, sublimation ink is different from regular printer ink. It turns into gas when heated and bonds with the surface of the coated mug. This gives a strong, permanent image that doesn't peel or wash off easily. A paper we use, called sublimation transfer paper, is designed to hold the ink until it's transferred with heat. After attaching the transfer paper tightly to the mug, it's time to set up the heat press machine. I set the temperature to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 182 degrees Celsius, and set the timer to 3 to 4 minutes. Be careful, some machines show temperature in Celsius, so always check the unit on your machine before starting. The right temperature and time ensure that the print on your mug will come out perfectly, without any damage to it. After removing the mug from the press and carefully peeling off the transfer paper, you'll see your design has been perfectly printed on the mug. The colors are vibrant and the print is smooth. This process is great for creating custom mugs for gifts or business purposes. It's a fun and creative way to personalize your items. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Device Doctor for more useful tutorials.